Have you ever stumbled upon a method that is willing to pay you real cash just to open emails? Even at first listen, I think it's fake. But what if we told you that it's 100% true and these are all the proof? If you want to take risks and really live life to the fullest, then today's method is perfect for you. If you want to begin, then go ahead and What's up, everybody, and welcome back to the Money Shark channel. We post new and exciting money making videos every single day, so make sure that you like this video and subscribe to our YouTube channel if you haven't already, and make sure to hit that notification bell to be notified every time we have a new video up so you can be the first to know and try it out. As you can probably already tell from the title, our method for today is going to be opening up emails and getting paid to do so. Even I thought it was insane when I first heard about it, but then I tried it, and since then, life has never been the same. I've become way more financially capable and stable, and it's been the best thing I've ever done for myself. Today, it's your guys' turn to feel the way I did with today's method. Now, I'm sure you guys have an email account, or maybe you check it all the time as well on a very daily basis. And when I talk about email, I'm talking about Gmail, Yahoo, Hotmail, AOL, Outlook, and a lot of other similar services that you probably are familiar with. Because what we're about to teach you today actually has something to do with all of these email services. Because we're going to be earning money by reading emails, like we've mentioned. You could be earning anywhere from $1,000 to $500 to $3,000 to just so much more dollars just to open and read emails. There is no complication here. You don't need any experience. You're not going to be jumping up and down, digging under. All you have to do, simply click an email to open it, read it, and you're going to earn money. And the more emails that you're able to open and read, the more money you could make. So if you stay with me until the end of this video, we're going to show you amazing additional strategies. It's going to help you make 4 times, 5 times more money than we promised. So let's go ahead. So here are some of the features of this website, which we're going to reveal in a bit. And as you can see, you're going to receive daily paid emails and it'll be delivered to your mailbox. You can get your money right here with a quick payment processing within 24 hours. They also offer a modest 15 pay limit, which means you can start paying out your earnings once you hit the minimum barrier of $15. And joining is completely free, and you will not incur any financial obligations if you actually open your account. And you are going to receive a free $3 sign-up bonus, which is great. And you can take the daily paid service, and it could help you make more cash. So before we start, I want you to double check that you have these 2 things. First, you have to have a PayPal account. If you don't, open up paypal.com, create an account. Next thing is an email account. It could be Yahoo, it could be Gmail, it could be Hotmail, it could be AOL, it could be Outlook. Whatever it is, it could be LinkedIn. Make sure you have any of those. If you don't, open up the websites, create one. And then as soon as you have an account, which is very important, and we suggest that you use Gmail account since it's what we use and it works amazing, so make sure that you try that. Now, if you already have those 2, if you created it, you guys already know the drill. Our first website that's gonna be making our money today is called paidtoreademail.com. First, I want to show you how you're gonna create a free account and receive $3 as a sign-up bonus. So first, you're gonna select your gender, then your initial name, your email address, and then your password before you click sign up. And after that, as soon as you do click on sign up, you're going to receive $3. And it's literally as simple as clicking the sign up button and you already have money. Right? So you can proceed to this page where you're going to see thank you, your account has been activated, your paid to read email account is now active, and your account has been awarded with a $3 sign up incentive. But this is a completely new account and you already have $3. You can see your cash over here, which is $3. If you're having fun with today's video so far, then make sure that you like this video and subscribe if you aren't subscribed yet. And of course, comment about all of the wonderful things that you're loving so far, or maybe leave some suggestions down below. Anything and all will be appreciated. Now let's get back into the video. So now you're gonna see the free ways to be rewarded for your online actions. If you scroll down, for example, there's a cash survey and the price range is from 50 cents to $1 per survey. Now all you have to do is click on this button and then you're going to be taken to this page, and as you can see here, cash survey, each completed survey can reward you 35 cents to $1. And there are 3 categories as a result of this. Number 1 is your survey, which is where you have unrestricted access to the second category. Opinion survey is also unrestricted. For the third category, it's data survey, so you have a maximum of 10 services, but they also claim that if you click on the survey button right here, it's going to lead you to another website where you can actually start taking the surveys in like 1 to 2 minutes and then earn 50 cents to $1 just by doing that. So all you have to do is select your gender. Well, for example, you male, click to get started button, then enter your birth date. In this video, we're not going to spend too much time. You can do it yourself because it is extremely easy. And then they're going to deposit the money into your account once you finish the survey. So we are going to be offering a bonus tip right now to help you increase your revenue on this website. And when you check into your account every day, so make sure you complete all of the data survey categories, which is limited to 10 surveys. You can get $4 if you finish this category because you completed $10. And after that, you're going to be accessing an unlimited range of number of surveys that's going to pay you up to $5 per survey. And the good news is that you have an unlimited number of options in each of those categories. You may easily conduct your surveys on your phone and earn $1 to $2 to $3 to $4 for every survey you finish. And you can go to the cash offers if you've completed the cash surveys. And as you can see, all you have to do is click on this button to be taken to this page, and here you can earn 50 cents for your surveys, 50 cents for opinion surveys, and 40 cents for data surveys. For cash offerings, this is just an additional source of money that you can generate using this website. So moving on to the final income stream that you can generate, which is the most exciting one, which is simply reading emails and clicking on the link in the email. You only need to click open and read emails, and then you may click on the images or the button that's going to bring you to the website just at random. As seen above, these directions will be followed. Okay, now sometimes they're going to give you instructions, but most of the time you don't really have to do anything. All you have to do is stay on the website for like 30 seconds, and just like that, you're going to be credited, just so that they know like you're human and you're not a bot. And basically you can actually just, browse the rows by scrolling around the website. You can do this on your phone, your computer, and then after 30 seconds pass, you're going to receive your money. It's going to credit to your account. So when you go back to the dashboard, you can see that you received your initial $3 as a sign-up incentive. And right now, we're going to open up another email sent by this website and click on the bottom of the email to go to a random website. Don't care about the actual content of the email, just how to open it. And then you're going to click on the bottom of the email, get a random website. I don't actually do anything. You can see I'll just stay for 30 seconds. And then you're going to earn your money. It's going to deposit into your account. Now, one thing you have to remember that's very important is that when you get to the web page, all you have to do is just scroll down to the bottom and then back up to the top. That's literally all you have to do. And then you're just going to wait for 30 seconds. And then you're going to go back to the dashboard. And then there you have it, another $3.95 for the second email, which pays slightly less, which is like 45 cents. But one thing to keep in mind is that you are going to receive emails that pay even more money as soon as you reach $15, and then you can cash out all of your earnings. And another thing to keep in mind is that they also have a special referral program, and you're going to see that when I click on the more button, you're going to be able to get to this web page by clicking on refer friends. You can earn more money by referring friends. And then if you sign up right here off the wages of all your pals, which is absolutely free, by the way, it is passive and it's literally everything that anybody could ask for. And the instructions are simple. The entire direction, the entire guide is just simple. So make sure you do this. It's easy. And that's pretty much it. Leave a comment down below about what you loved the most about today's video, and if you have any suggestions or maybe questions, and we will try our best to respond to all of them. If there's nothing else, then thank you guys again for watching today's video. We're so close to 60,000 subscribers, so make sure that you like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell so you won't miss a single video, because it would be a total bummer if you did. We hope you guys enjoyed today's video. We can't wait to make more, and we will see you in the next one. Have a great rest of the week.